Hello, and welcome to the 5th episode of the CodeGenHero Tour series. In this video, we will go over the Configure tab, where we can configure settings provided by our selected templates to alter their output when we generate code from them. The Configure tab can be split into two halves. On the right side, template variables, and on the left-hand side, global variables. The template variables are options exposed by template authors for users of their templates to customize depending on their needs, or for the user to provide information that can't be automatically sourced from the metadata. This can include things like what a generated class should be called, toggles for if certain components of a class should be generated or not, or regex filters to exclude or include certain metadata entities from being consumed by a template. If you hover your cursor over the names of variables, you can see a description that further details what that variable is responsible for. However, template variables only affect the scope of their specific template that provided them. What if you have multiple templates that need to have settings shared between them? That is what the other half of the Configure tab is for, global variables. Global variables are shared between all templates, so you only need to set a common value once, which will persist to all relevant templates. By default, there are no global variables. Instead, a global variable is assigned by a user by promoting a template variable to the global scope. This can be done by right-clicking on any template variable and clicking Convert to Global Variable. By doing this, all variables matching the promoted template's variable name across all your selected templates will converge into one single global variable. This is quite useful for scenarios where multiple templates will want to know the name of a class generated by another template, or defining the namespace of multiple templates intended to serve similar purposes. Some variables intended to be set on global scope may say so in their description, so make sure to check variable descriptions if you are unsure. As one final point of note, at the top right-hand side of the Configure tab, you will see a checkbox labeled Show Hidden Template Variables. CodeGenHero templates may sometimes set variables to be hidden by default, be it for parts of the template that are not commonly used or only intended for advanced users. By clicking this checkbox, you can expose these template variables and alter their values as well. Once you are done configuring your variables, you can move on to the next tab of the CodeGenHero workflow, the Map tab.